So you can see like this one, for this printer we already start to use the zebra plate, and it's really cool. And here is where you put a spacer. Since we got the replicator tool, so we cannot adjust the z-axis setting and the offset, because I tried find Google it online, and none of the stuff showing us like how to use the setting, and I use the MakerBot desktop setting and it still doesn't show anything. That's why then I found out the supplier from Zebra Plate, they actually offer the free modeling for the spacer and the clips, like for replicator 2. So that means for replicator 2, you need to use the spacer unit. Pretty cool. And now it's printing the clip, because we have 3 printers here, so we need more clips.